Hi! In front of me is Honor X7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Honor. You need to begin by opening device settings. After that, scroll down and choose Biometrics and Password. Then tap on face recognition over here and enter your current login method. After that, you need to read the disclaimer, choose Get Started and follow all of those instructions. Remember to keep your face in frame. When you're ready, you can adjust all of those options however you wish to and click on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!